हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एसएससी फाउंडेशन। आज से हम इस चैनल पर एक न्यू सीरीज शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, इंडियन पॉलिटी क्वेश्चन आंसर सीरीज। आप सभी जानते हैं कि लगभग सभी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए पॉलिटी एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट है। पॉलिटी से लगभग हर साल हर एग्जाम में कुछ ना कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछे ही जाते हैं। इसलिए हम इस सीरीज में इंडियन पॉलिटी से टॉपिक वाइज हर तरह के क्वेश्चंस पढ़ेंगे ताकि ये कम्प्लीटली अच्छे से कवर हो जाए। और इस सीरीज के सभी वीडियोस प्लेलिस्ट में अरेंज किए जाएंगे ताकि आपको पढ़ने में कोई दिक्कत ना हो। तो आज की इस पहले क्लास में हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं पॉलिटी का पहला टॉपिक, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया। और हर दिन की तरह वीडियो के एंड में मैं इन क्वेश्चंस में से आप लोगों से सिर्फ 3 क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगा, जिनके सही आंसर्स आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखकर बताना। उम्मीद है ये कोर्स आपकी प्रिपरेशन को और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाएगा। तो आपकी कीमती समय की रिस्पेक्ट करते हुए चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। नंबर 1, व्हाट डिड N.A. Palkiwala call the Preamble? Correct answer, identity card of the Constitution. Next, from which country is the rule of suspending fundamental rights during emergency taken? Correct answer, Germany, Weimar Constitution. Next, when was the Indian Constitution adopted? Correct answer, 26 November 1949. Next, what have we learned from Canada regarding the structure of our country? Correct answer, federal system with a strong center. Next, according to the Preamble, who is the ultimate source of all power? Correct answer, people of India. Next, from which country did Ireland obtain the Directive Principles of State Policy? Correct answer, Spain. Next, in the Preamble, what does the term republic mean? Correct answer, head of state is not hereditary. Next, from which country is the method of constitutional amendment taken? Correct answer, South Africa. Next, what is the preamble of the Constitution? Correct answer, preface of introduction. Next, which is the most important thing taken from the USA? Correct answer, fundamental rights. Next, the ideas of social, economic and political justice are taken from which country? Correct answer, Russia, Soviet Union. Next, which special rules for governing the country were taken from Ireland? Correct answer, Directive Principles of State Policy or DPSP. Next, what does the word secular mean in the Indian context? Correct answer, state has no religion of its own. Next, which concept is taken from the Japanese Constitution? Correct answer, procedure established by law. Next, from which country is the idea of residuary powers with the center taken? Correct answer, Canada. Next, what did K.M. Munshi call the Preamble? Correct answer, political horoscope. Next, what was taken from the USA regarding the judiciary? Correct answer, independent judiciary. Next, what was taken from Russia for the citizens? Correct answer, fundamental duties. Next, When was the objective resolution adopted by the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer, 22nd January 1947. Next, which three famous words were taken from France? Correct answer, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Next, from which country is the rule of joint session of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha taken? Correct answer, Australia. Next, on which resolution is our preamble based? Correct answer, objective resolution. Next, the method of presidential election is taken from which country? Correct answer, Ireland. Next, who described the preamble as the soul of the constitution? Correct answer, Thakurdas Bhargava. Next, which list was taken from the Australian Constitution? Correct answer, concurrent list. Next, from where was the post of Vice President and the removal of President taken? Correct answer, USA. Next, when does the Supreme Court take the help of the preamble? Correct answer, to interpret ambiguous parts of the Constitution. Next, the language of the preamble and freedom of trade are taken from? Correct answer, Australia. Next, from which country did the concept of republic originate? Correct answer, France. Next, from which country did the idea of having a preamble come? Correct answer, USA. Next, the method of election of Rajya Sabha members is taken from? Correct answer, South Africa. Next, can one directly file a case in court if the preamble's words are not followed? Correct answer, no, it is not enforceable by law. Next, the term sovereign implies that India is? Correct answer, completely independent. Next, which case stated that preamble is a part of the Constitution? Correct answer, Keshavanand Bharati case. Next, the mini constitution refers to which amendment? Correct answer, 42nd Amendment. Next, how many schedules were there in the original constitution? Correct answer, 8. Next, which schedule contains the 22 recognized languages of India? Correct answer, 8th schedule. Next, anti-defection law is mentioned in which schedule? Correct answer, 10th schedule. Next, who was the permanent president of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer, Rajendra Prasad. Next, the single citizenship concept in India is taken from? करेक्ट आंसर, ब्रिटेन और यूके। तो यही था आज का पहला क्लास। तो चलिए अब मेरी तरफ से आप लोगों के लिए 3 क्वेश्चंस। नंबर 1, फ्रॉम वेयर वाज द पोस्ट ऑफ वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एंड द रिमूवल ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट टेकन? नेक्स्ट, व्हेन डज द सुप्रीम कोर्ट टेक द हेल्प ऑफ द प्रीएम्बल? नेक्स्ट, द लैंग्वेज ऑफ द प्रीएम्बल and freedom of trade are taken from? तीनों क्वेश्चंस के सही आंसर्स कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखकर बताना। आने वाले दिनों में हम और भी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स डिस्कस करेंगे। तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिए, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।